Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 12th when I'm recording this. And remember, we are hosting an options room open house between April 18th and 20th. Those who sign up get free access to the options room for those 3 days and get a sneak peek of what goes on inside that room. It should be a good time. We will know that specifically we've got a lot of people in that room during this open house, and so we'll be talking to you more specifically about new people coming in, what it's like, what we do here, and yeah, just kind of what the experience is like. So if you haven't ever been in there before, come check it out for these couple of days. Use this link right here to register for free. Yeah, but make sure you do that. Pretty quick little link there, and that'll get you into that room. All right, one of the things that I've been looking at is there have been, I keep talking about this, but you know, there are a lot of names that are done going down, and they have been moving up a little bit. You know, if you look at the grand number of their low to high, you know, 65% for Pinterest, but look, it took 303 days to do that, and look at how messy that was. So be it. But I was kind of looking around, and you know, not that every name is doing this, but I just kind of found something interesting. If I did this, look at the angle. Look at the direction. Basically, there's a trend there. Not easy. I didn't say we can trade this and have fun with it, but basically call it a linear regression, and it is coming right back to that line, and it has been trending up like that. I started looking around. It's like, oh, what are some other names that I know off the top of my head that might be moving up in a similar fashion? Shopify, kind of doing the same thing. Look at this. We take a line, and look at that. Nice trend to that, huh? You can see anytime it got a little overbought, came back down to trend, got oversold, came back to trend, overbought, came back to trend, down to trend. Pretty neat, huh? Let's see. Looked around. Roblox doing the same thing, and these names generally moving up. Let's see. Somewhere around here, we got this trend moving like that, and you can see it's been following that trend. Again, not the easiest stuff. Has there been opportunity? Sure. But boy, this market is still pretty tough out there. And I thought that was kind of interesting to be looking at something like this. If we come over, there was another one, Path. And again, not all these are doing it. There's a handful of names like Fresh and Toast and you know, just any other names. And they're just not doing anything. But yeah, look at this. You can see here. Look at that. It's been following that trend pretty well. And then MNDY. Come take a look at this one. This one's kind of been doing it in a similar fashion once it's finally gotten a bit of its trend on. And we can do this and take a look at this. Come through here. Let's see, right there. And a little bit bigger. Now you can see anytime it's gotten oversold and overbought, it's come back down to it. So if you can figure out that these trends are going to continue, you know, you find something that maybe is a little bit under trend, maybe the likelihood of it getting back up to trend is likely. So if something were to behave like this, well, then maybe MNDY could be a bullish opportunity coming up in the next few days if that's going to be working out. MDB, this one's another kind of messy one, but I kind of looked at this and said, oh, yeah, that kind of looks like there's a bit of a trend here. And you could say, well, look at this. How's that for a little bit of a trend? Now, for as much as that looks neat and interesting, you could also look at this and just say, well, it's all actually honestly been going sideways for a very long time. That's true too. So that's the difficulty of this market. Some names are working, some names are not. And, you know, maybe you step back, look at the big picture, like, man, look at that. Low to high, it's actually doing pretty well. But you break it up a little bit, and you just realize that there are some really pretty big rides, and then also just complete sideways action on some of these things. So look around, take a step back, look at the bigger picture on some of these things. That's been helping me to just kind of see where things are at. Be sure to look at your monthly, weekly timeframes, and remember, if you guys are interested, come over and check out that options room, the free open house between April 18th and 20th, and use this link to register for free. All right, thanks again, guys, and we'll catch you soon.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.